We left San Antonio at around 4 a.m. Saturday morning. I was basically running on energy drinks to keep me awake, being as I couldn't get any sleep that night. I was just too excited for what was waiting for us in Abilene. Now, if you know me well, you would know that I hate traveling by road, but traveling with Connor and Forrest made things so much more bearable. I also should have known that traveling upstate in Texas would be amazing. We were all dead silent in the car whenever we watched the sun go over the towns and the plains. It's really a beautiful sight.
Just in registration, we have beat every year that we've been doing this in fundraising. So a big hand to y'all because it's great.
Hey, what's up? I'm Solo from Viper Tactical Airsoft, and you're watching USAirsoft.
Clear. Red box. Spin it and kill it. Bonus, go!